Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale customer engagement with Zendesk, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your current customer engagement levels. Analyze the existing data from your Zendesk platform. Identify key metrics such as response times, customer satisfaction scores, and next, define clear objectives for scaling engagement. Set specific and measurable goals, like improving response time or increasing customer satisfaction. Now, consider segmenting your customer base. Create tailored communication strategies for different customer groups. Leverage Zendesk's customer profiles to understand each segment better. Use automated responses for common inquiries to streamline engagement. Explore Zendesk's chatbot features to provide instant support. Implement targeted campaigns through email or in-app messaging. Utilize Zendesk's reporting features to track the effectiveness of these campaigns. Gather feedback from customers regularly to understand their needs. Incorporate customer feedback into your engagement strategies. Train your support team on using Zendesk tools effectively. Ensure they understand the importance of maintaining a consistent and personalized communication style. Integrate other tools or platforms you use with Zendesk. This will create a unified experience for both your team and customers. Regularly review your engagement metrics. Adjust your strategies based on what the data shows. Stay updated with the latest features and updates from Zendesk. Attend webinars or read guides to ensure you're using the platform to its fullest potential. Encourage cross-team collaboration to share insights about customer interactions. Leverage social media and community forums to enhance your customer engagement. Finally, continuously iterate on your strategies for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.